capable of producing a tornado was located around Mesquite and Balch Springs, moving north at 45 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated tornado warning. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught outside. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, vehicles, and trees likely. There are two storms capable of producing tornadoes in Dallas County at this moment. One just near downtown Dallas, and one near Balch Springs. Both storms are dangerous and moving northeast. These storms, this new storm, especially near Mesquite, will be approaching Sunnyvale at 6:45, Garland, Richardson, Rowlett, Rockwall, and Saxe by 7 p.m., Murphy by 7:05, Wiley, Fairview by 7:15, Farmersville by 7:25. Once again, a new tornado warning has been issued for northeastern Dallas County, for southern Collin County, and for Rockwall County until 7:30 p.m. All North Central Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement.
I think it's right there.
It's the JCPenney biggest after Christmas family clearance. Hurry in for all.
I think that's what took out the power in Mesquite, and I think it might be just up here. There's some crazy stuff going on, if you can see that. And it's sort of in front of me, so I'm not sure what to do, and that person driving fast is going to get somebody killed. I want to get past it so I can get to the kids. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening over there, and that's kind of scary. I'll move over here in case I got to stop completely. That Balch Springs stuff is sort of kind of to the right of this view. And that's sort of where this stuff is happening. Lots of craziness. I thought I was safe when I was getting out of Dallas, but it's like this stuff is in front of me. Oh God, is that what that is right in front of me? I'm seeing some pretty nasty stuff whenever the lightning flashes. I think that is right in front of me. Oh my God. I don't know what to do here. I think there's a tornado right in front of me, but it's rain wrapped. You can't see it until there's something flashes. Maybe it'll cross and not go to Rockwall, because that's where I'm trying to head. Yeah, you can tell. It's like right there. To the left of me now. It's sort of across the highway. And if that's the case, then I won't be able to... You can see, oh my God, that's amazing. That is scary, and I hope it's not coming right at me. Looks like it's moving to the left, sort of. That is crazy big, and I think it is moving the other direction. Oh. Looks like it's moving across to... That's what that is. It is massive too. Yep, that's a big tornado. Now the freeway's gonna stop. It looks like it's heading away from me. That thing is massive. to the right of the view and then went to the left. Looks like it's definitely moving away from me, which is good for me. But I need to get past it so I can get to Rockwall. They must have went across the freeway where I'm on now. I'm heading that way. I'm going to keep moving that direction because it looks like it's moving far left of me. It's considerably further left of me now, so it looks like it's definitely going away. So I'm gonna attempt, like these people, to keep on rolling, and hopefully I can get through the roads and get to Rockwall. Yeah, there's a lot of debris on the road here. You can't really see it. Yeah, there's debris all over the road. This thing passed right where I'm at now, it looks like. Oh, God. Okay, well, it's definitely not headed toward my kids, but at least these storms are in that area. Yeah, there's a lot of damage. Right where I'm at now is where it blew through. You can see the apartments, but you can't see because it's dark, but... And it's still going over there. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of destruction on my right, but you can't see it. It's too dark. There's a light pole up ahead. There's a light pole that's bent over, and those giant, really super tall ones. The one that's right over a power line. Ooh, I didn't even notice it until I hit it. Yeah, this thing blew right through here. If I would have been a little bit faster, thank God I wasn't, I would have got caught by it. But it's still on the ground. It's still going. It's so dark, I can't see anything. I'm gonna keep on rolling. Rockwall, I've been there. It's not, looks like it's heading more toward Garland up to Plano area. But it's still on the ground. The light flashes, you can see it. About to go over the lake. Oh, I hit something. That wasn't good. I think I ran over some debris. It's hard to see on the ground if there's no all the lights are out on the street lights. I'm about to go over the lake. I think I'm safe. It's far to the left of me. I can't tell more of the south east of me. I'm headed eastward. I can still see it whenever the lightning flashes, but you can't see it through the camera. It's still on the ground and it's moving. It's quite a ways away from me now. It's quite a long way away. But I'm just going to keep rolling. Oh. Keep rolling toward home. Yeah, so it's headed away from where the kids are, thank God. I can still see it on the ground. I wish lightning flashes would be able to see it. Either it's really far away from me, or it's dissipating. I can't really tell, but it's definitely, I'm out of harm's way at the moment. it's hitting things. You can see stuff. Some transformer was on fire, just exploding.